Hello and welcome to RiKho Living. In today's video, we will be sharing some key insights into abundance and manifestation, as well as giving you practical techniques that can help with manifesting more abundance in your life. Today, we embark on a journey to tap into your limitless potential and manifest abundance in our lives. The universe is abundant, and by aligning ourselves with its energy, we can attract abundance into every aspect of our lives. There is no shortage of abundance. It is only our perspective that makes us feel the lack of it. There are examples of abundance all around us. Nature grows effortlessly. There is abundant plant and animal life. There are mind-blowing amounts of planets, stars, and galaxies out in the universe. We often associate abundance with money or wealth, and whilst that is part of abundance, don't forget that abundance means prosperity in all areas of your life. Abundance in health, wealth, relationships, joy, and opportunity. Let's explore practical techniques to unlock this power within us. Start by clarifying your intentions. Your intentions create your life. If you don't know what you want to manifest, the question of creating it does not exist. So begin to dig deep. What brings you the utmost joy? What would you like in your life that will give you abundance? What would you do with an unlimited supply of money? Who would you help? What sort of career would you have that would bring you joy and wealth? Your intentions must be pure and for the highest good for everyone. You do not want to create abundance because you want to make your neighbor jealous or for ego-driven ideals. Manifestation does not work in this way. It is about encompassing everyone in your life and creating a better future for yourself and everyone else around you. Just think, how many people would benefit from you manifesting abundance? How many people can you help? And how would your life be different? A powerful technique would be to create your ideal day. Put your mind into the future. How far along in the future doesn't matter. Grab a journal and write down what your life will look like if everything you could have possibly desired has manifested. Start with the minute you wake up and write down what your home feels like, who you are with, what you would do with your day, and most importantly, how do you feel? All the material wealth in the world will not make a difference if you're feeling unsatisfied with life. So be clear on what emotions you'd like to feel. Of course, this would be feelings of unconditional love, joy, compassion, but don't stop there. Keep going. Really get into how it would feel to have manifested a life beyond your wildest dreams. Once you've written all of that, use the power of your imagination to visualize what you've written. This is an extremely powerful exercise because you can begin to see in your mind what your future is going to look like. You'll be able to step into your future and feel that abundance of joy and bliss. You are shifting your vibration to match the frequency of your desires. You can keep this technique handy whenever you feel doubt kicking in. It will surely bring you back into alignment with your desires. Trust in divine timing and let go of any resistance or doubts. The universe knows when and how to deliver your abundance. Have faith and remain open to receiving. This can be tricky because for so long we've been conditioned that we have to push and hustle for our dreams to come true. Try to let go of this belief and know that you can truly manifest your desired life with action that feels aligned to you. It does not mean you can just meditate and visualize your way to manifestation. It means you can take action when the inner calling comes to you. Understand that this in itself is your manifestation showing up, because the universe is now showing you the path that you need to take. Use gratitude as a stepping stone to be grateful for everything in your life. Your job, your financial situation, your relationships. No matter what you feel is lacking, shift your perspective and be grateful for all of it. Step outside every day and just begin to list things you're grateful for in your mind. Combining gratitude with visualization, intention setting, and inspired action is a bulletproof plan to manifest abundance in your life. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of manifesting abundance. May you continue to align with the universe's abundant energy and experience a life of prosperity and fulfillment.